Welcome back to the YouTube channel Malawian Cameras. Guys, zukuti bwanji ku South Africa. Ku South Africa paja president wa chipani cha DA amene ali John Steenhuisen amene yuyu amafuna kuti akhale paja deputy president wachiwiri kwa president nde ANC ndi komanso Cyril Ramaphosa amene ali president samafuna paja ndeno pano pa adrosano list sopano ya unduna nde zapezeka kuti mkulu uja amene anali deputy president uja Paul Mashatile sana mujosa ali bombobe ya ali deputy ndithu komanso John Steenhuisen amene yuyu amene ali president wa DA chipani chimene chichi amene yuyu Amuika ngati nduna yo ya za ulimi ku South Africa.
Appointments to the executive will therefore be made. The deputy president is Paul Mashatile. The Minister of Agriculture is John Steenhuisen. The Deputy Minister of Agriculture is Rosemary Nokuzola Kapa. Minister of Land Reform and Rural Development is Mzwanele Nyoncho. Deputy Minister of Land Reform and Rural Development is Chupu Stanley Matabata. Minister of Basic Education is Siviwe Kwahube. Deputy Minister of Basic Education is Regina Mahaule. Minister of Communications and Digital Technologies is Soli Malati. The Deputy Minister of Communications and Digital Technologies is Montli Gungubele. The Minister of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs is Velinkosi Tlabisa. The Deputy Minister of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs is Dixon Masemola and Ngosi Zolile Burns Ngamashe. The Minister of Defense and Military Veterans is Angie Motsecha. Deputy Minister of Defense and Military Veterans is Bantu Holomisa and Richard Mkongo. Minister of Electricity and Energy is Hosien Suramokhopa. Deputy Minister of Electricity and Energy is Samantha Graham. Minister of Science, Technology and Innovation is Blade Nzimande. The Deputy Minister of Science, Technology and Innovation is Nomalungelo Gina. Minister of Employment and Labor is Nomakosazana Meth. Deputy Minister of Employment and Labor is Jomo Sibiya and Pumzile Mgcina. Minister of Finance is Enoch Godongwana. Deputy Ministers of Finance are David Masondo and Ashor Sarupen. Minister of Forestry, Fisheries and Environment is Dion George. Deputy Ministers of Forestry, Fisheries and Environment are Naren Singh and Bernice Swart. Minister of Health is Dr. Aaron Mutwaledi. Deputy Minister of Health is Dr. Joe Patla. Minister of Higher Education is Dr. Nobuhle Nkabani. The Deputy Ministers of Higher Education are Buti Manamela and Dr. Mimi Gondwe. Minister of Home Affairs is Leon Schreiber. Deputy Minister of Home Affairs is Njabulo Nzuza. Minister of Human Settlements is Mamoloko Kubai. Deputy Minister of Human Settlements is Thandi Mahambeshala. The Minister of International Relations and Cooperation is Ronald Lamola. Deputy Ministers of International Relations and Cooperation are Alvin Buotes and Thandi Moraka. Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development is Tembing Kadimeng. The Deputy Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development is Andries Nel. The Minister of Mineral and Petroleum Resources is Gwede Mantashe. Deputy Minister of Mineral and Petroleum Resources is Judith Nemadzinga Chabalala. Minister of Planning, Monitoring and Evaluation is Marupini Ramokhopa. Deputy Minister of Planning, Monitoring and Evaluation is Seiso Muhai. Minister of Police is Senzo Mkunu. Deputy Ministers of Police are Poli Bushielo and Castle Matale. Minister in the Presidency is Kumbuzo Nchabeni. Deputy Ministers in the Presidency are Nongeba Mhlauli and Kenneth Murolo. Minister of Public Service and Administration is Nkosi Mzamo Buthelezi. Deputy Minister of Public Service and Administration is Pinky Kekana. Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure is Dion McPherson. Deputy Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure is Sihle Zikalala. Minister of Small Business Development is Delanda Beni. The Deputy Minister of Small Business Development is Jane Sitole. The Minister of Social Development is Sisisi Tolashe. Deputy Minister of Social Development is Hanif Hendricks. The Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture is Gayton McKenzie. Deputy Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture is Peace Mabe. Minister of Tourism is Patricia DeLille. Deputy Minister of Tourism is Maggie Sochu. Minister of Trade and Industry and Competition is Pax Dao. The Deputy Ministers of Trade, Industry and Competition are Zuko Godlimpi and Andrew Whitfield. Minister of Transport is Barbara Creasy. Deputy Minister of Transport is Mkhuleko Hlengwa. Minister of Water and Sanitation is Phemima Jodina. Deputy Ministers of Water and Sanitation is David Mahlobo and Isaac Siakholo. Minister of Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities is Sindisiwe Chikunga. Deputy Minister of Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities is Mapaseka Steve Litzike. Minister of Correctional Services is Peter Groenewald. Dr. Peter Groenewald. Deputy Minister of Correctional Services is Lindiwe Nchalincha.